Hey Aiden, this is Philip from Pacific Toyota. Just wanted to give you a quick virtual tour of this beautiful looking 2022 Kia Cerato Sport. Now before I give you a tour, just would like to point out that the car is a bit dirty at the moment, mainly because it's been raining. And I'll show you where we're at. So we are located at 251 Mulgrave Road. Now across road we do have our new Toyota and Lexus showroom. And this is just one of our three used car yards. Now, most of the cars that you see that lands here, they go through strict inspection, as well as will come with PPSR certificate, which means if there's any money owing to it, if the vehicle has ever been written off, or if it's ever been stolen. Now, we sell about 200 cars a month and freight 3 to 4 trucks interstate every week. So we're pretty big and we have a lot of satisfied customers. If you look at our certain Google reviews, Pacific Toyota used cars, you'll see a lot of satisfied customers. Now, looking from the left side of the vehicle, you can see the headlights. You've got a beautiful trimming at the very top, the Kia badge in the middle, the parking sensors, and I will show you. It's pretty clean inside, and the chassis underneath looks great as well, no rust or dirt. Now the headlights, they are nice and bright and they're clean. No fog, no buildup of fog anywhere. I'll show you any imperfections that catches my eye as well. Now, this marks, they're just the polish marks, so before we send you the car, they will go through thorough cleaning. We have a little bit of maybe a stone chip right here. That is just dirt. That's a stone chip. This is just dirt as well. Alright. Now looking onto the left side, we do have the tire and the rims. Plenty of treads left. And the rims are in good condition, as well as the suspension. Now, moving from the left hand side, I will show you onto the passenger side. Let's open this bad boy up. Inside is clean and tidy and immaculate condition. Now, what we have here is a service book. Because I'm on the passenger side, it's easy to show you that. Now it has a great service history. So the first service was done is a complimentary, so it's 3,374. The next one was done at 14,799. The next one is 25,207, 33,376, and 39,714. And that's the recent one. And the last one will be. The next one will be at 55,000, if you can see there. I'll show you all the infotainment system and features quickly in a bit. Now looking into the roof of the car, that's just like the rain droplets and dirt accumulating. Of course, as I mentioned, we'll go through thorough cleaning. I cannot see any scratches on the passenger side. Now, onto the rear seats, plenty of space. If you see just right here, I just moved it back, so that's why it's there. Inside is also very good. The rooftop looks great, alright, as well as the back. Alright. Looking from the rear side, you do have the Cerato badge right here, as well as the Kia in the middle, the rear parking sensors, as well as the camera right here. The trimmings right here looks very nice. The panel at the back. I will open up the boot and show you the boot space, as well as any spare tires. Now plenty of boot room, alright. You can pack a lot of luggage in there. It's very clean and tidy. You do have the spare tire as well as the spare tire kit. Alrighty, now looking from this side, I can see a scratch right here. Very minor, you can see. And right here as well. These rear tires and the rims, they are in good condition. The driver's side, I'll open up the rear doors to give you a look. Electronic windows on all sides. You do have your blind spot monitoring right here. There is tiny scratch right here. Nothing significant, alright? The car is in really good condition. At the very top, you can see just right here, there is a little few marks, alright? I'm pretty sure if you don't like it, alright, if you want to buy it, before we send it to you, we can do some brush touch on it. Now, looking inside the driver's seat, let's have a seat. It's very hot today. Let's start this beast. It's doing a system check. Let's see if anything pops up. Nah, it shows my attention level is very high because I had too much caffeine. Well, it shows your attention level as you drive, alright, and it will tell you to stop if you feel drowsy or anything. It's just based on your driving ability. Now you do have the infotainment system. It's pretty big. You do have the navigation as well as Android Auto and Apple Play. So that's your gear selector. If I put it on reverse, you'll see it has the rear collision as well as the front collision system. You can see the rear camera is nice and visible. You do have the spacing for USB charging, fast charging, and two cup holders and space to keep your things here. Now the audio system here is pretty good, alright. Now looking into the cluster, we can see there are no engine lights or anything. All your window controls are here. It's manual seat, okay. We'll open up the boot to see what's in there. So it does have lane assistance as well, which has been turned on at the moment. Well, you'll know everything about the engine just by reading at the features, so I'll just show you if there is any rust or anything in here. As you can see, it looks clean and tidy all around. As I said, the vehicle is in very good condition. It comes with two sets of keys, making it a pair, and you can see it does have daytime running lights. The front fender looks very aggressive and nice. Well, that's a video for you. If you have any questions, just send it out to me in the messages and I would be able to answer it for you. Thank you.